Friends, I am Ajikumar, the English trainer from English Academy. Newspaper reading. That is one of the best tips to improve your language capabilities. Now think of you get new words and familiar with the new structures. Now today 27th November 2024, the news is on hand. It is from the Hindu. So the page number 4 explain a news. Listen. Museum of Letters to celebrate state's cultural linguistic heritage. This is a news from Kerala. Think of the first paragraph. The Museum of Letters, that is Akshara Museum. Here is a bold statement against the efforts to confine India to a single language identity. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said. Okay, so you get the Museum of Letters. Here is a bold statement against the efforts to confine India to a single language identity. See, we get simple enough and need these structures when you read newspaper. In newspaper, the updated words are there, updated new methods of structures are there, super structures are there in newspaper, especially in Hindu newspaper. I suggest Hindu newspaper than other English papers. So think of, when you read a newspaper in a day, you get at least 50 new words and 50 new words, and at the same time you get at least 10 different structures. I think we can make structures in our own methods. At the same time, in the Hindu newspaper, you get standard structures. That's different from the texts that we are reading. Right?